my channel. There's Emily. There's Lacey. It's not facing me. See? There's Courtney. Well, just wanted to inform y'all, we got another hurricane headed here towards North Carolina. Don't know exactly when it's going to hit. Sometime this week's all I know. I'm assuming probably by this weekend or something like that. I don't know exactly sure. But it's Hurricane Michael. It's not going to be as bad as Florence as they're saying. At least in some areas, I believe. But just sitting outside, letting the kids play. There's Mason.
I'm in there with my mom.
He's helping cook dinner. Trying to teach him how to cook, so you don't have to worry about what you want to cook for him. Because I have
I'm
fun.
not actually in there with cooking down with my mom.
And some of you know, the baby, well, none of you know actually. The baby had doctor's appointment today. She weighs 8 pounds, 14 and a half inches long. Or 14 and a half ounces, sorry. And 21 inches long. Almost a 9-pound turd at 2 months. So, she's right on track now. There's Mason being silly. I don't know who all watched the video. I uploaded it probably, I want to say about an hour ago, maybe. Might have been 2 hours ago. Might have been 30 minutes ago. I don't remember exactly when I uploaded it. But
Daddy, tell them about you got in a wreck.
yeah, I just uploaded the video.
Yeah, so I checked. Remember, she had to take her little sister to her doctor appointment because her mom didn't have no way, and her dad didn't have the way.
But I don't know what them three are doing. I think they're playing football with a freaking tennis ball. I don't know what they're doing. Emily, please put her down before you drop her.
Oh, Jack, I'm going to look at her.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch her for a minute. I'll be in a minute.
Guys, I'm going to go watch my sister.
Go in there and watch her for a minute. But just sitting outside, waiting on dinner to get done. Having cube steak, and I don't know what else. Probably I'm gonna say mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese, but I'm not sure. The wife's cooking. Usually I cook, but today she's cooking. But this is a good old boy. Talk to y'all. Well, let me see. Hold on. I won't say get off the video, stop the video, but the girls are doing the crab walk backwards. There's Emily. Lacey fell.
I'm in the lead.
But anyways, good old boy. I'll talk to y'all later.